Some important power generating equipment at the historic Riverton Power Plant has aged beyond repair. KSN 16's Dustin Latimer shows us how 2 new upgrades will help keep the power plant operating for many years to come.
At the Riverton Power Plant, some of the power generating equipment is showing its age.
We've squeezed everything we can out of the existing units. Like I said, we bought them 20 years used already and got another 40 years out of them almost. So they've earned their retirement.
Liberty Utilities is saying goodbye to 2 of the oldest remaining generators at the plant.
These generators that we're replacing, they were actually manufactured in the 1960s.
Soon, both will be removed to make way for 2 new industrial gas turbines, complete with the latest in power generating technology.
It'll be less costly every time we start and run them. And then also just if you think about from the perspective of control and electrical protection systems, everything's computerized now.
Liberty Strategic Projects Director Sean Rooney says the new generators feature better performance, especially in cold weather, and are nearly 40% more efficient. At a cost of $62 million, they will also be Liberty's first units designed to use hydrogen as an alternative fuel.
That's actually a new capability, and it's one that we're looking forward to potentially testing out if we get to the point in the future where hydrogen's cost competitive with natural gas.
The Riverton Power Plant has over a century of history. The original groundbreaking took place in 1910, but now, more than 100 years later, the latest upgrades will ensure the plant's operation for decades to come.
We've reinvested in the site over and over again. Almost any kind of electricity that could be generated has been generated here. Construction
on underground utilities and housing for the new generators will take place early next year, leading up to their arrival and installation in late spring. Reporting in Riverton, I'm Dustin Latimer.